Good morning. As has become customary in even a short period of time, Thursday assemblies are an opportunity for us to dip into the archives, rewind into history, and to discover something about our school. And it was only a matter of time before we came across the year 1984. And I have, as has previously been the case, a couple of books from the archives in front of me. The prefect's book, which we have spoken about before, and I note with interest and indeed pride that the name Alastair Little appears in January 1984. Sadly, it has occurred to me that although it is before many of you were born, it is, I think, possible and probable that it is before many parents of the current school were actually born. And this, believe me, is a very, very sad moment of reflection for me and my advancing years. Nevertheless, I also have from 1984 the school magazine, again something of which I am extremely proud. And I note as I take my trip down memory lane that there is an extensive cricket report for the first 11 of that year. Now remember, we went up to the age of 13 in those days, and looking through the summary I note that in the first game of the season Westhouse School amassed 127 for 6 and restricted Bluecoat School to 90 for 9 in reply, with one A.M.J. Lyttle taking 6 wickets for 21 runs. That's a very satisfying feeling. I looked through the magazine further, and there are some fantastic memories of my final term and year at the school. A splendid photo of the school play, Treasure Island, with me dressed resplendently as Dr. Livesey. And I note also there is a piece of my creative writing entitled Adventureland. I'm pleased to announce, parents, that my creative writing appears, I sincerely hope, to have improved somewhat over the years. But the point is this: they are fantastic memories of my most senior year at this school. Probably the best year of my young educational life, and a year that I will not forget. And so my thoughts very much turn to our Year 6 boys. You younger pupils, all being well, you will have all of that to very much look forward to. Year 6 boys, with the situation as it is, might not have exactly the same opportunities, particularly on the sports fields during this final summer term, that you want and deserve and crave. But 2 points. One, as I have said before, I sincerely hope that we will be back before the end of term and you can enjoy all of this stuff. And 2, Year 6, when you look back upon your time at this school, let's not let it be defined by a few short weeks of closure and learning at distance. When your moment comes to reflect, I want you to focus on all those fantastic achievements that you have made along the journey. And I repeat, it's not over yet. I look forward to seeing you all before the end of term.